You know, sometimes all you need is 20 seconds of insane courage. Just literally 20 seconds of just embarrassing bravery. And I promise you, something great will come of it.
Cole, good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Skydive Las Vegas and happy early birthday.
Thanks.
So to celebrate your birthday, you're going to strap yourself to a strange man and jump out of an airplane.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
All right, let's go have fun.
Let's do it.
Skydiving in Vegas, baby! Cole, we did it, man.
Yeah.
Congrats, brother.
Thanks.
Happy early birthday.
Thanks.
Is that what you expected?
Man, no.
Would you do it again?
Oh, yeah.
That's all I care about.
Yeah.
Skydive Las Vegas.